Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get into it today. We're going to be setting up a lineup for fantasy basketball. Let's say you have this team, this amazing team right here: LaMelo Ball, Kyrie Irving, James Harden, Cole Anthony, LeBron James, Clay. Come on, the best team of them all. So imagine we have a lineup over here where someone might be on a bench for a certain day. And over here on the bench we have Miles Turner. He's playing tonight. So we want something that can move this from over here up to the lineup for tonight, such that we have no players on the bench for any given night that they're playing. I've got a prototype over here. Simply all it does, very start, it opens up the page, logs in for me, I get to the team, and that's it, and it leaves. Over here we can probably remove this. Where is that? Right there. Let's take it out. So as you can see over here in my main function, all we do so far, we go to the teams page, we switch to the login iframe, put in my username, put in my password, and we press login. That's it. At the end, we switch over here back to the default content outside of the iframe and sleep and quit. That's all we do. And the sleep is just for us to get a look at the screen right now as we're working on it. We'll take this out at the very end, just for development. So, now, let's get over to this page. What we find out here, let's see if I should be able to move this down. How's that looking? So, let's find really the element that defines what a line here is. Let's start with that, because I want to be able to select all these moves, and I want to know exactly which move I'm talking about. So in that, I think I'll need some sort of data structure that maintains also the position of this move, as well as information about the player themselves. So let's see. Yeah, this looks pretty interesting. This TD is this image. This TD is James Harden. And it looks like TR is the entire row. And so that's what we want. We want these TRs. Awesome. So let's grab that. The way I have it set up right now, I just have a bunch of selectors. I put them all right here. And so this is basically a player selector. I should be able to think of it like that. So that's like that. Let's just grab this entire class name. So we can say player selector is equal to, and let's just use the CSS selector. And for that we'll have over here, it's tr dot all of this. I put TF here, change that TR. Can we grab anything else? Data index, whatever. No, we can't use any of these. So let's move on. We got here a player selector. And let's grab all of them. Let's do all players. How about that? Is equal to, so over here I have this wait element that I created, and it waits for an element to be clickable. So I don't think I'm gonna use that here. I think instead I'm just gonna look for the players directly. I can still say over here, wait element, just so we wait until a single player is there, and then grab them all in another step. So over here we can say player select, player select over here. We can then say all players is the WebDriver dot, let's see, locating elements. Here, find elements. That's the method we want. Find elements. And same thing. Player selector. And I should be able to print all players. And let's just print the first two. So over here now, yeah, I can leave this, I guess, like that. Let's just put this in a position where we can see better. And just run make. So we log in. Didn't go. Let's see if I can maybe zoom this out a tiny bit over here. Over here. Alright, how's this looking? So we can stop the session. Let's see why that didn't work. Time not sleep 3, that's where it stops. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay. This should quit now. Stop session. But it should have printed these guys out. Why didn't it? Maybe it's the weight element that's messing it up. WebDriver has no elements. Oh, that I don't want the WebDriver. I want the... Let's see what my driver is. Just driver. We want a driver instead. Doesn't matter. Let's take it now. As you see, we got here the coffee. We got here a couple of blueberries. And we're ready to go. Let's see. Required parameter using has incorrect string. Let's see what that means. Never seen that before. And maybe I should zoom in just a little bit. How's this looking? Let's make this big again. Let's see. Oh, so the using method is incorrect. Let's see what the issue is. Should be no issue. Ah, I understand. I'm sending in a tuple when instead I should want to unpack it over here. And found no one. That's weird. That's definitely weird. Let's find out why. I mean, there's an iframe of some sort. Let's see where this is. No, it's not in that iframe. What was that one? For Google Ads? No, it's not it. What's this iframe? Also Google Ads over here. No, not it. Is this iframe? No, not it. Chat container? Not it. No. Also no. Also no. Also no. Also this no. Also this no. Well, this is kind of fun. Let's see if I can move this down just a tiny bit. So essentially we're looking for the iframe. It's not here, it's not there. It's not there. No. Kind of disappointing. Same iframe. No. No. Not that one. Not that one either. So let's see. Can we find a player? Let's find out. Not working. Yeah, why can't I find it? Let's see. Selenium, selecting rows of table. Let's find out. So get the size of the table. No, I don't like that at all. Okay, let's just do tag name. Have your tag? Yeah, let's just do that. Let's take tag name and just say TR. Oh, I see the issue. Let's take table TR. How's this? Let's just do that. No. Found none. Strange. Oh wait, found none by this one. Let's just do tag name. TR. If this doesn't find it, then we know that it must be inside of another iframe or something like that. Yeah, and if did not find it, now we know what the issue is. Let's see, can we run fuck? No fuck. I don't know. So let's just upgrade this pip. Yeah, I don't know. If it's not able to find them, it must be inside of some iframe. So let's go and backtrack our steps. You find this TR. Yeah, afraid not to find over here TR. Then we know it's a much bigger issue. Yeah, let's move this down. So we're here going through all of them. Layout is full. So I don't see an iframe. What's this iframe that's ended? But it's already ended, so what do I care? Yeah, all the ads. Tracking pixel. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. All right. Captcha. So I don't know. I really don't know. Afraid not to find this. I mean, I can't believe it. How could that be? Let's see. Let's see if there's a Selenium find elements not working. Try that. No such element. Yeah. And the fact that I even used weight element. Actually, no. Let's do weight element then. How long's the timeout? 10 seconds? No. Let's change it to like 4. We'll get to it soon enough. Let's see. Is it inside of an iframe? No. Interesting. It's weird. Okay, let's see. This TH, title starters. Let's take that. Let's say over here that starters selector is equal to, yeah, I mean, I like the CSS selector. So much easier to use. Let's see, it's a TH title. Title equals starters. Let's use double quotes here. How's that? Because I see over here, I just happened to stumble upon it. Over here. You can find an element, and then just like that, you scroll it into view. So, let's put that into our day-to-day over here. We'll say starters is equal to weight element starter selector. Selector with an O. And this one we change to an O. And then we can say driver dot execute script. And this is the script. And we can just pass in starters. Just like that. So I want to see it's cool. And let's make that happen. Where's the scroll? What happened? Waiting for this. Yeah, I mean it must be inside of some iframe. It has to be. It's gotta be. There should be like an iframe here or something. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. And it's the page container. Yeah. It's inside of the shell container. So we have these two. It's inside here. So here's the body. There is no iframe. There's no iframe here. Selenium not in iframe. Not found element. Check it out. This is how they combine multiple classes. Okay, wait. Something's gotta be like weird here. So let's see. I should be able to just say, let's say div. I want all the divs. Give me all of the divs, please. How does this react? Let's find out right now. No such element. Not a single div exists. So this is how I know that's something stupid. This is how I know that this makes no sense at all. How could that be? No divs? How? What has to happen for that to be the case? Let's see. But this is about starters. So let's forget the starters for now. Okay, we got a bunch of divs. This is player selection. Okay, so these are all the divs. Okay. Let's say I want the table. How's that? Is that so bad to want the table? No table. How could that be? How could there be no tables? That's strange, isn't it? That makes no sense. I'm not sure I understand what's going on here. Because how can it not find it? Responsive table. Let's see. Selenium React table not found. Yeah, let's use this. Code block. If you'd like to use Chrome driver, Google Chrome, you can use the following locator strategy. Visibility of element locating. Let's see. Is there an element to be clickable? I don't want this over here. Wait for multiple elements. So over here we can do the same thing, def wait elements, and we'll take the same selector. We can return the same thing. I just called it an element. I'm not sure what to really call it. I don't know what type it really has. Let's say like 5 seconds. Let's do the exact same format. EC dot. So they say to say presence of all elements located. And then we pass in the selector. Okay. I guess. Oh, so this is the real type. Right here. Let's see. From Selenium import WebDriver. So we can just say WebDriver in here. So now we can say weight elements. Move to weight elements with the player selector. Why does this always happen? I guess there's like a 5-second wait, so I should be graceful with that. Let's give it a second. Timeout. Waited too long. This is a table. That's all it is. That's kind of hilarious. Let's see. This is a TH. Let's just take that. Okay, let's see. Let's see how that goes. See, it froze on this for no reason. No one knows why it froze. Let's take it back. Let's see what happens now. And now it's able to log in. You see, so they just didn't run it twice. So let's see. Why? Why would that be the case? Timeout exception message. Yeah, can't find the table. How could that be? Let's see, do you see an iframe here? I ruined it. Let's try it again. What? I could not find the table selector? By the way, every single login, I'm getting like crazy spam with emails from Disney saying there's a new sign-in. Like, I think I might be blocked soon, if possible. It's saying someone's logging in. You should change your password. It's me. It's my own account, Disney. Don't block me. Don't block me, please. So why can't I find it? I'm so curious to find out. How could this be? That I can't find it? Sounds strange, no? So we have this. Oh, I see. Maybe at this point, this makes total sense. I need to switch back to the normal. Let's try this. If this was it this entire time, that I need to switch out of the iframe. Because you see, when we do switch to frame, now we need to switch back out. Oh my god, let's see if this was it. And then it just suddenly immediately works. Perfect. That is amazing. Look at it, all the players that I have. Yes. Let's go. Alright, awesome. We scroll down to our table. Right? We look at it. And then we say wait for all of my players. And over here I have all of my players right here. And that's awesome. That is actually beautiful. 1. Looks like not enough, right? 2, 3. What's my player selector? Oh, just table. Oh. Well, that's why. This needs to come back. Let's see if I can get all my players like this. And let's see if we can say over here, Selenium element find child element. So I can say div a dot find. And so over here it says for every web element, element.get tag name. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. So yeah, div a. It looks like I can do that. Let's do that. Let's try it out. Did I run this? This looks like a lot more. 1, 2, not enough. Let's run it again. And I want all of my players to see right there. Boom! There we have it. Alright. We have all of my players. And then here we can say, and now this is where it's going to get much more interesting. Now we can actually work with it. So I can say for every player, the player selector is legit a row. So that is awesome. So now we have all my players. Let's create some sort of, I guess, struct that maintains it. And maybe I could even call it player. don't know why I'm feeling object oriented. So let's see. I want to take is, let's just say, just to start, we'll take the row element, and it's of type, we say over here, from Selenium import WebDriver, and subtype this, whatever this is. Remote web element. Who's gonna remember that? We don't need to remember that. And so let's start. I want to start by finding a name. I'm gonna start by also finding self.isPlaying. Is playing tonight. Type bool. And I want to also keep track of self.move button of type, and it's gonna be, guess it again, right there, a row element. So you can do over here. This might even be a static method. Actually, no, I should be able to. Let's take both of these and move them into sort of utils over here. WebDriver, I need WebDriver wait. What else do I need? Driver. And yeah. And so for each one here, I need to pass in driver. And I gotta be able to also say so let's say new Python directory, Python package, and we can call it, let's say, why not source? No, this is the name that gets decided. Who cares? Let's call it source for now. Doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna just move these into source. Actually, it'll be easier over here doing it. Moving player to source. Moving utils to source. Moving drive to source. We should see this update over on this side. And perfect. Right, maybe for Lambda I can use the Chrome driver. I mean, it doesn't really matter too much. So I want to be able over here to say from new Python file. And you can say touch. What's in here? Alright. We can say touch setup.py. We can go over here, we can grab setup.py example. 310, yeah? Let's take the latest possible. Name, and we can call it fantasy lineup. Let's call it basketball lineup. ESPN basketball lineup. Let's take out author, doesn't matter. Let's take out URL, doesn't matter. And let's keep source. And can I say as well, can I do source dot slash ven bin activate, right? Now inside of the ven, can I say as well pip3 install edit mode dot successfully? Let's do it. And so from over here I should be able to say let's go into drive, and I should be able to say from basketball lineup import at source import utils. Can I run that? No such thing. So this is where it's looking. Fantasy basketball lineup, setter, drive. Oh, because this is in the make file. Yeah, how's that? How's that? You like that? No module named this. What did I call it in the setup.py? Basketball lineup. So can we do pip list and grep basketball lineup setter? Yeah. And it's this. So let's see. Setup.py rename package. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can fix it by putting Python package into proj and changing setup.py. Let's do proj. So let's just call it, let's just give it a name. Like, why is this such an issue? Quit. Just move source to basketball. Basketball ESPN? Or basketball underscore? ESPN? I guess. Yeah, doesn't matter. It almost doesn't matter. 3. So let's go back to Sev.py. We can say basketball underscore ESPN. Clean. Remove rf star dot egg info star. Let's do that. Hit 3 install. Edit dot. That looks pretty good. And now it's basketball ESPN. Clean. Boom. That looks good. Now let's just make. No man's name basketball lineup. That's right. That is right indeed. We'll go over to Drive. And we now have a new name. Basketball ESPN. And it works. Import over here weight element and weight elements. Okay, this looks pretty good. So we can say from basketball ESPN dot player import player. So I can say player LM for LM in all player LMs. Boom. And now I have a list of all the players. And it's gonna take all this. And that's perfect. And now we can do, I think this could be a static method. We can say def get LM properties. It's gonna not take self, but it's gonna take a row element. So let's go back over here. So now, so now that I've actually got into the part where I'm actually gonna move the players around, I think, and because we're also exactly the 1 hour mark, I'm gonna end this. I'll make this part 0 because it's just setting up and it's just there were some quirks we had to figure out and some weird edge cases before we could actually get started. I'm gonna end the stream